Grand rising to everybody. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, it's another Uber Eats video for the channel. Happy Friday to everybody. Shout out to all of the returning supporters. Shout out to all the new supporters on the channel. I want to continue to grow and expand this YouTube channel for real, right? And I know that the only way for me to do it is to continue to cultivate my energy and create for my higher self, and to continue to connect with y'all, real talk. So that's what I'm gonna continuously do. Now, right now, as I already know, doing my Uber Eats grind. I'm on my third drop off for the day, and then I got another double to do. So I'm out here for the breakfast rush today, lunch rush, and dinner rush. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna bring y'all as much content as possible. And if y'all enjoy the content, just do me a solid. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time to the channel. And leave your comments below. Real talk. Shout out to the SR community. Shout out to the NoFap community. And I appreciate everybody. Yes, sir. Almost at the second pickup. One thing I'm gonna start doing too is continuing to show you guys the portfolio and how it's doing. Yesterday we had a it was funny, bro. So yesterday we had a tough red day in the markets. Not even going front. Word. But I'll be embracing that. To me, I always tell y'all, bro, like those are discounts. Real talk. Now I know I had some people tell me, or one person tell me, oh, show the portfolio, bro. No. The reason why is because, number one, I don't want it to look like I'm like bragging or like, hey, look at me. Like, no, nobody cares. And number two, I know that sometimes people be hating, bro. So I don't got time for that. I'm not even gonna front, bro. Especially when it comes down to like you having goals for yourself and really wanting to like bring them to life. Some people really don't like that. And I'm not here for that. So for me to protect my energy, I'd rather just show you guys the percentages. Real talk. And then show y'all like some of my positions that I have in a portfolio, and y'all get to see how they doing. But that's all. Alright, so I just got the second pickup of that double. Got both of them right here, about to go drop these off. And I'm gonna show y'all how the portfolio did yesterday. So, like I said, yesterday was like a little tough red day in the markets. It's what comes with being in the stock market, right? You're gonna have your green days, then you're gonna have your discounted days. It's all about how you perceive it. You know what I'm saying? So, yesterday I made sure I took advantage of the discounts, you feel me? And today we got a new day. Alright, so but on my way to go drop off these two right now. I'll see you guys when I get number 6 on the day. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so I got me number 6 right here. A quick item pickup. They got doggy medicine. So about to go drop this off right quick and let's get it done. Alright, y'all, so just finished dropping off number 6 on the breakfast rush. That was fast, bro. My goodness, I just got out here. Word though. So 6 done on the day so far. I'm gonna wait around for number 7, and once I get number 7 on the day, make sure I let y'all know. So they just sent me number 7. The drop off is literally down the block. So that's the only reason why I took this one. I'm not going front. That would have been super lazy if I would have denied this order and the drop off is down the block. So, word. I'm gonna also show y'all the market open. Stock market just opened a couple minutes ago. So I'll let you guys see how the portfolio is doing right now. And let's go get this pickup and drop off out the way. So they just sent me number 8 on the day. Just finished dropping off number 7. For this pickup is at H&H Bagels, and the drop off is not that far. So about to get this one out the way as well. Let's keep cooking, man. Breakfast rush is going good today. Happy Friday. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, y'all. So I just finished that 8th delivery of the day. Yes, sir. Once they send me number 9, I'll be sure to let you guys know. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And let's keep up the momentum. Alright, yes sir. Just finished dropping off those 2. They sent me another double. First they sent me one going to picking up from Five Guys, and then they sent me an add-on picking up from Panda Express. So let's go. So I'm talking about 10 deliveries done so far, and after I do these 2, that'll be 12 on the day. Let's go. Let's keep up the momentum, man. Let's keep it going. Just finished dropping off the first delivery of the double. Now I'm on my way to go drop off the second one. And after I complete these 2, that's going to be 12 on the day so far. And it is lunchtime. So that's what I'm talking about. Let's go. See you guys when I'm finished with the second drop off. Yes, sir. So just finished dropping off number 12 on the day. I'll show you guys my total on the day so far, and I'll also let you guys see how the portfolio is doing halfway through the day. It's also lunchtime, so gotta keep up the momentum and keep going. Once I get my next delivery, I'll make sure I let y'all know. So they sent me another one picking up from Chick-fil-A. That's gonna be number 13 on the day. The drop-off location is not too far from where I'm at, so about to go pick it up now and then get this one done. Yes, sir, man. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get this lunch rush started. Just finished dropping off number 13 on the day. Once I get my next delivery, I'll be sure to let you guys know.